Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on this episode of Not a Nail Tech, I'm going to try and make this shell inspired look. So I'm going to be using lots of layers by starting with Serious Black, and I'm going to put a nice generous layer of that on. And we're going to be layering up chromes, jelly polishes, more black polish, some builder gel, and it's all about layering and layering and layering and texture as well, because in the end we're going to file it all down and it'll reveal a beautiful texture that you didn't even know was there. And now that's cured, I'm going in with another layer of Serious Black just to make sure it's really opaque. I'm happy with that coverage, so now I'm going in with one of our pigment powders, and this is a really beautiful rich blue. And I'm just going to make sure that the nail's well covered, and I'm going to buff it really well into the nail. Next I'm going in with Blue Raspberry, which is one of the jelly polishes, and this is just going to add another layer and another bit of dimension to the nail. So this is where the texture comes into it. So we're going to start with Clearest Day Builder Gel, and we're just going to layer it up in funky random swirls and patterns all over the nail. So what we want is different heights with the builder gel, so you don't want it to be perfectly smooth. Now I'm happy with that. I'm just going to go back in and add a few little dots onto areas that I want to have a little bit more height. And cured that for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with Serious Black and doing another layer of that. It's quite repetitive, this nail, but once you get into the swing of it, it's very, very easy and extremely effective. So I just want a relatively thin layer of this so it just kind of falls into the nooks and crannies. And then I'm going to go in with this green chrome pigment, which is another beautiful rich colour. And as you can see, this one has a bit of a cat's eye effect as the colour changes when you move it. Make sure that's all really well buffed in, get off any of the excess. And then I'm going to go in with Kiwano, which is a really beautiful teal coloured jelly. And this looks gorgeous over this chrome. And this is, again, just adding another layer and another bit of dimension. So as we go, the nail is going to look like a hot mess, and that's absolutely okay. We're going back in with Serious Black and doing another layer of that. And what we want is loads of bumpy texture, because that means when we file it down, it'll reveal all of the different colours that we've actually put into the nail. Next, I'm just going back in with that blue chrome pigment powder, and we're just going to buff that into the nail again, now that that Serious Black is cured. And for the final layer of colour, I'm just going back in with Blue Raspberry jelly polish and just popping that all over the top. Once that's cured for 60 seconds, give it a wipe with some gel res remover, and we're just going to go in with a nail file and we're going to buff it down until everything is completely smooth. So it will look hideous for the first few minutes, and then as you can see, I've filed some of this off camera because it was a pain in the bum to do it over the table. And as you can see, it's revealed all of those beautiful colours. I've given it a little bit of a buff with one of our buffing blocks, and I'm just giving it a wipe down with some gel res again. So next I'm going to go in with some top coat, but this isn't the end. You could leave it like this and it's an absolutely beautiful nail as it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cure this top coat and buff down that top layer just to mattify it, because we're going to do a little bit of isolated chrome, and this will just make it easier to buff off all the excess chrome in the end. Make sure you get all of the dust off there, and I'm going to go in with Serious Black, and I'm just going to do some random little wiggly border shapes around the outside. And this might not be your cup of tea, but I thought it might look a little bit cool. So I'm keeping this quite organic and fluid and random, just so it kind of goes with the shapes of shells and sea creatures, that kind of thing. Make sure that's cured for 60 seconds, and then I'm going to buff in some of our gold chrome pigment powder, and this is just going to add to the border. Once I've dusted that off, I'm going back in with top coat, and you can see this design really come to life when the top coat comes on. You can see all of those chrome colours start to shine through. And there we have it, there's our seashell nail. And I actually did a few more examples to do a full set of nails to show you, so you can see different colourways. So here we are, we've done some purples, greens, pinks, and I think they've turned out pretty cool. They all look very, very different and give very, very different vibes, but it's a nice idea if you want to try one out. Let me know if you tried it yourself, we'd love to see some pictures, and if you want any of the products used in this video, they'll be down in the link below. See you later!